Inside this box, I have the Spacekeeper Folding Hand Truck. This holds up to 500 pounds, and it comes in 3 different colors, and it's got over 3,000 reviews on Amazon. Let's take a look and see what we get. Looks like some assembly is required. Instructions tell you exactly what's in it and how to assemble it. Looks like just the wheels need to be screwed on. Also comes with, it looks like 2 bungee cords, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2 pretty long bungee cords. They feel pretty elastic. And you've got 1, 2, these feel pretty good. These are heavy. I'm actually pretty nice. Looks like maybe 1.5 inch caster wheel swivels. Not all of them swivel, so I'm assuming just 2. There's another swivel. Yep, that's solid. That one's swivel, so it looks like probably 4 swivel. Comes with the screws. And looks pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you got 6 wheels that just mount to the bottom. One of the cool things about this unit is that it does have this extendable base to it, so you can slide it in. Woo! You can slide it in if you want, and then if you need to stretch it out, you can stretch it out. I don't think there's a lock. Nope, there's no lock on it. Just opens and folds. And then, of course, you have the handle also, which has a push button for releasing up and down. And it comes up at a pretty good height. It looks like we got 2 different settings, 3 different settings. All right, it's all put together. I think the only thing I don't like, you just gotta be really careful how quickly you pull this guy out. But let's see. It says it's good for 500 pounds. Oh yeah, that's rock solid. Feels good.